Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to update your blog to this week's latest version. This is helpful if you want to use the newest features and improve your blog's design and performance. Let's get started. On your Wix dashboard, click on your blog and go to the blog section on the left side. You can see it right away. Now, in the blog section, if you already have a blog, let's open it up. Here, we will select the welcome blog as our example. Let's use this welcome blog to walk through the process. If you want to update your blog, just check if you have any changes to make. For example, let's add an image to the blog. We will insert this image and place it on the page. Once we are happy with the changes, click Publish. Once it's published, your blog will be updated to the latest version. It's now updated, as you can see. The changes are now live on your blog. And that's how we update your blog to the latest version. With this update, we can enjoy better tools and a more modern blogging experience.